Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley with controller. Start by connecting your controller via Bluetooth or USB and enable controller input in options. Next, choose a control preset or customize mappings for tools, menus, and dialogues. Calibrate stick sensitivity and test walking versus running. Save your settings and practice tool switching in the farm or mines. This approach keeps gameplay smooth and relaxed for long sessions. Getting comfortable with movement and controls makes Stardew Valley feel natural on a controller. Practice walking, sprinting, and fine adjustments with the left stick, then bind primary tools to face buttons. Use shoulder buttons for quick item swaps and assign frequently used items to hotkeys. Learn how to open menus smoothly and move between tabs without losing momentum. With a few minutes of practice, you will harvest, fish, and mine more efficiently. Farming and menu navigation are simpler with a tuned controller setup. Hold the run toggle for wide tool sweeps and plan stamina use for long tasks. Use radial menus and quick access slots to plant seeds, craft items, and check bundles faster. Rebind, confirm, and cancel if the defaults feel awkward, and practice opening shop and mail menus to speed errands. These tweaks make daily chores feel satisfying and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.